So, ayan ang bathroom queen ko. Kita niyo kung paano siya maglinis. Talagang nililinis niyan, details yan. Tingin naman dyan!
I'm shy.
I'm shy!
Sabay-sabay I'm shy.
Sabay ano. So, ayan, kung paano niya linisin yung... so, ini-sprayhan niyo muna. Yung spray mo. Patingin ang spray mo, pang-spray mo. So, i-sprayhan niya muna yan ng yung mga mold para matanggal. So, that's mold remover. So, lahat yan ay sinisiksik niya dyan para matanggal yung mga libag.
Yeah.
Yan. Say, show me, wow! Look at that! Woohoo! Wow,
Dirty.
ayan. So, ini-spray niya yan. Yan yung panglinis namin na the best of the best cleaner. The cleaner for the mold. Look at that. Show me. Woo! That's plenty there. So, yan. So, lilinisin ni Cecil yan. Right, Cecil, lahat?
Yeah.
Thank you, Cecil. You're doing a good job. So, lahat yan, lilinisin niya yan. So, I'll come back for you, Cecil.
See you. Get back to work.
Back to work daw ako, maldita. And then there's Washim. Hi, Washim. Good. So Washim, he's cleaning the window as well. So for right now, he's cleaning. Show me the dirt. Show me the dirty. Oh, that's from the wind. Yes. So lilinisin niya yan. He is that one there. See, he's cleaning that one there. Wow. Woo! Wow, look at the dirty. Look at how dumi ng dumi. Ayan. Wow. Right. So ngayon ay nililinis niyo muna yung mga gilid-gilid. Mga everything's in there. The window sill on the gap. He's cleaning that one first. Wow. Yes, that one. Break it.
Yeah, it's very dirty.
So, nililinis muna yan. So, that one, ayun, natanggal, oh. Tingnan nyo, tanggal na yung dumi. Right. So, lilinisin niya yan hanggat wala nang makitang dumi siya dyan. Lahat yan lilinisin niya. Then, i-squeeze niya yan. I-squeeze yan ni Washim. I-squeeze niya yan. Yes, after that. So, all the gap, we're gonna clean that. He's cleaning that, all the gap. Until is no black stain there anymore. He's gonna clean that. And then he's gonna wash the rugs. Washim gonna wash your rugs. So Washim is gonna wash the rug, and then he's gonna do it again until everything it's gone. The mold on the window sill. The window sill. So see Washim, he's gonna do it again down the bottom and gonna do it again there. Yeah. So he's gonna do that again until it's gone. That's it. It's nice and clean. And down here. Very good, Washim. Say hello to the YouTube.
Hello, we need to subscribe, guys.
Subscribe on my channel. We need it.
We need it.
Yes, we are the cleaner on Australia, only of the best of the best. So guys, you need help, please call 46274004. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next videos.